In this video, I'm going to show you the quickest way to mute and unmute yourself during a meeting. Now, if you want to mute yourself, assuming I'm on a Zoom meeting, the usual way is to come over to the audio tab over here, the audio button. You can just click on it, and now I am speaking in the meeting. You can see the mic is blinking, which means I am speaking in the meeting and everyone is going to hear me. Now, if I want to mute myself, I can just click it one more time, and this is now muted and nobody is going to hear me, even if I am speaking from this end. Now, the quickest way to do that is on hitting the space bar. So once you hit on the space bar, you can see automatically it opens. You can see they call it temporarily unmuted. And you can be speaking and everyone is listening to you from the other end. And once you lift your hand, it's now go back to mute. You can unmute to start speaking temporarily by hitting the space bar and then unmute. Just like that. Very easy and precise. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.